Hello and welcome to this new section. So in this section we are going to discuss about what is delete function. Okay, so in the previous video we have seen how to insert and append the method. So how to delete a particular index, an element from a particular index. So what we are trying to do, delete an element from a particular index. Okay, so delete an element from a particular index. So how the function is look like, delete and your index value. Okay, and let us suppose if we type in this way, delete at index 2. Okay, if we want to delete an index, delete an element from an index 2. In this case, if I want to delete at an index 2, okay, how can I delete it? Let's first, pause this video and just try to imagine how can we able to do. It's very easy. Programming is what, it's just like daily life activity, what we are doing. So if I want to delete this element, I just need to replace it, the previous element. So let us suppose I have deleted this. Okay. Now what? If I delete this element, I need to shift my previous element so that this place would not be blank. Okay. And the length should be -1. Okay. So what protocol we need to follow? We just while deleting 5, we just need to shift this element. So what we need to do, print 7 here. Okay, and delete 7 from this side, and print 4 this side, and replace it with this. Okay, this is our protocol, how we need to delete it. Okay, so if we want to delete it, what is the time complexity? What is the time complexity? Can you please tell me what is the time complexity? What is O of? See, one is an operation. First operation is you delete it, delete this element at this position, and then shift the elements. How many time? Delete for deletion 1, plus if there are n number of elements. If we want to delete an index at 0, then we need to shift each and every element to the front side. So it will take n times, or we can approximately say that O of n times. Okay, we do not consider constant when it is always having an upper bound of n. So we just approximate it as O of n. So this is a time complexity for deleting an element. Okay. So in the next section, we'll see the implementation of this delete function. Okay. So this is it for this section. We'll see you in the next. Happy data structures.